What should I do if my vanilla gift card was declined during an online purchase?
Hello everyone. If you've ever been in the frustrating position of trying to make an online purchase with your vanilla gift card and it's declined, you've come to the right place. Today, we're going to walk you through the steps you need to take to identify the problem and fix it so you can successfully use your vanilla gift card online.
Have you activated your vanilla gift card?
The first step you should take if your vanilla gift card is declined online is to make sure your card is activated. Sometimes, people forget to activate their gift cards before trying to use them. This is a simple step, but it's a crucial one. Check the card's packaging for activation instructions or contact the retailer where you purchased the card if you're unsure.
Have you registered your vanilla gift card?
Vanilla gift cards need to be registered for online use. This involves linking the card to your zip code. Head to the Vanilla Gift Cards website and follow their steps to register your card. This step is especially important for online transactions as it provides a measure of security.
Are you trying to make an international purchase?
Remember, vanilla gift cards are usually only valid in the country where they were purchased. So, if you're in the US and you're trying to buy something from a foreign website, your card might be declined. In this case, try to make your purchase from a domestic website instead.
Do you have sufficient funds on the card?
Another reason your card could be declined is that the purchase amount exceeds the balance on the card. Make sure you know the card's current balance before making a purchase. You can usually check this on the Vanilla Gift Cards website or by calling the number on the back of the card. Hopefully, one of these solutions has fixed your problem and you can now successfully use your vanilla gift card online. If your card is still being declined after following these steps, it's a good idea to contact Vanilla's customer service for further assistance. Thanks for tuning in and we hope you found this information useful. Happy shopping!